Hello students, now I will discuss chapter 9 line and angle. Multiple choice question. Question number 4 is given. I am reading this question. A pair of complementary angle is. You know about complementary angle. Complementary angle. Sum of two angle is 90 degree. This is 35 and 55. 5, 5, 10, 5, 3, 8, 90. So B option is right answer. Right? Question number 5. Question 5 is given supplementary angle. A pair of supplementary angle. You know about supplementary angle. This is 47 plus 133. 7, 3, 10. 3, 4, 7 and 1, 8. 180. So answer is C option is right answer. Right? Question number 6. If an angle of 1/3 of its supplementary, then measure of the angle is. Now look, question number 6. Question 6. Let the angle is x. Its supplementary angle 180 minus x. 1/3 it means 1/3. If an angle is 1/3 of its supplementary angle, 3 into x, 3x. 180 minus x. 3x plus x equal to 180. 4x equal to 180. X equal to 180 upon 4. 4 4s are 4 5s are. So answer is 45. Its right answer is A option. A option right answer. 45. Right? Next question. Question number 7. Question 7. If an angle measure 10 degree more than its complementary, let's be angle is x, its complementary angle 90 minus x. More than 10 degree minus 10 degree के इक्वल x minus 90 minus x equal to 10 minus minus plus x 2x 10 plus 90 2x equal to 100 x equal to 100 upon 2 2 5 ja 10 50. So answer is D. D option is the right answer, 50 degree. Right? Now after this, question number 8. Question 8 is given. If one angle of a linear pair is acute angle, then other is obtuse. Obtuse angle. Right? After this, question number 9. A figure is given just like this. This angle is given 2x minus 10 and this angle is given 3x plus 15 and you have to find out the value of x. 3x plus 15, 2x minus 10 equal to 180 because these angles are linear pair. 3x, 2x, 5x. 15 plus 10 plus 15 minus 10, 5. 180 minus 5. 5x equal to 175. X equal to 175 upon 5. 5 3 ja, 5 5 ja. 35 is the right answer. So answer is B. 35. This is your right answer. Next question. Question 10. In this figure, angle A and angle B are complementary angle. 3x plus 4 and x plus 18. These angles are complementary angle. Complementary, you know, sum of two angles is always 90 degree. 3x and 1x, 4x. 18 plus 4, 22, 90. 4x equal to 90 minus 22. 4x, 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. X equal to 68 upon 4. 17. And you have to know about angle A and B. Then angle A is acute. Angle A is given 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. 3 into 17 plus 4. 51 plus 4. 55 degree. This is acute angle. And angle B, what about angle B? Angle B, x plus 18. 17 plus 18, this is 35, also acute. So answer is A, acute, right? This is your right answer. After this, question number 10. Question 10. After this, question number 11. Sorry, 11. Figure is given just like this, and this is transversal line, and this angle 3x minus 14, 3x minus 14, and this angle 110, and you have to find out the value of x. 3x minus 40 equal to 110. Alternate angle 3x equal to 110 plus 40. 3x equal to 150. X equal to 150 upon 3. 3 5 50. X equal to 50 degree. So right answer is A. A is the right option. Right? After this, question number 12. Question number 12 is, in the adjoining figure is given, these two lines are parallel, and this is transversal line, and this is 75, and this is x. You have to find out the value of x. This is 75, you know, this is also 75, vertically opposite. These two angles are co-interior angle. X plus 75 equal to 180, co-interior angle. X equal to 180 minus 75. X equal to 105, right? So answer is C option is the right answer. After this, question number 13. Question 13. In the adjoining figure is given, two parallel lines are given, and these two lines are there, transversal line. This is 50 degree, and this is 130, and you have to know about angle QPR. This is Q, this is P, and this is R. QPR, right? This is 50, this is also 50, alternate angle, right? 130, this and this angle linear pair. This is also 50 because 180 minus 130, this it will be 50 degree. And sum of three angles in a triangle is always 180. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180. Angle P you have to find, angle Q 50 and angle R 50. 180 angle P equal to 180 minus 100. Angle P equal to 80 degree. Right? And right option is C option. C option is the right answer. After this, last question. Last question of the day. 14 question. In the adjoining figure, this figure is given just like this. P, A, B, C, D, Q. This is 50 and this is X and this is Y. You have to find out the value of X and Y. PA is parallel to BC is parallel to DQ and AB is parallel to DC, right? PA parallel to BC parallel to DQ, right? This is 50, this is also 50, alternative. So X equal to 50 degree, right? This and this angle co-interior angle. This is 50, this is 130 degree. Y equal to 130. Alternate angle. So your right answer is D option. Right? Thank you.